Welcome to the deep dive. We are jumping straight into the source material today. We're looking at a single kitchen appliance, the T-fal EZ Clean Pro. And it makes this claim that sounds almost, well, unbelievable.
Right, a self-cleaning deep fryer.
Exactly. So our mission here is to figure out the reality behind this machine. It promises to eliminate, the single most hated part of deep frying.
Dealing with the oil afterwards, ugh, absolutely the worst part.
Totally.
And what's interesting is T-fal didn't just put a basic filter in, they engineered this whole internal automated drainage system.
Okay.
So when you're done frying, the oil cools down, it filters itself, and then it gets stored in this clean, sealed container right underneath the main unit.
Huh.
One of the sources actually compared the old way, manual straining, to running a moonshine operation because it's so messy and hidden. This system supposedly cuts all that out.
Wow. That sounds amazing. Getting rid of the cheesecloth, that whole greasy transfer, gone. And this whole innovation leads to that key hook, right?
Yeah.
T-fal claims you can reuse the oil. How many times was it?
Up to 15 times. 1-5.
15 times. Seriously, if that's actually true, this machine could practically pay for itself just in saved oil.
It's a massive claim about
Sure.
efficiency, yeah. And cost savings. But, the machine does seem to have the technical specs to back up the performance side, at least on paper.
Absolutely. Looking at the analysis, this is a serious piece of kit. We're talking a hefty 1,700 watts of power.
That's some serious juice. Good for temperature recovery.
Right. Even with big batches.
Yeah.
And it's built for volume 2, 3.5-liter oil capacity. Handles about 2.65 pounds of food.
And crucially, the temperature range is spot on for proper frying. Goes from 300 degrees Fahrenheit up to 375.
Perfect range.
So the high-level takeaway seems to be, when the product works as intended, it's brilliant. That filtration system really is revolutionary, capable of giving you great frying results.
Okay, but that when it works is kind of the big asterisk here, isn't it? This is where we hit a real puzzle. We looked at, over 200 reviews across Amazon, Home Depot, cooking sites, and this wild pattern emerged. Extreme polarization.
Yeah, it's really striking.
People either absolutely worship this thing, call it the best appliance ever, or they are, ready to throw it out a window. Almost nothing in between.
It really makes you wonder about quality control. Because on one side, you get glowing praise, like that reviewer calling it the best fryer they've ever owned. Perfect results, easy cleanup.
Or a dream scenario.
But then the complaints are just as specific and, frankly, pretty alarming. They suggest a serious problem with how consistently these things are made.
So let's break down those failure points. The first big one seems to be the heating element.
Yeah, quite a few reports on that.
People saying it just died or maybe never worked right. Capping out way too low, like 220 degrees Fahrenheit.
Which, isn't nearly hot enough to actually fry food properly. You just end up with soggy, oily stuff.
It's useless for frying. Turns it into an oily paperweight.
Exactly. And the second major complaint is almost ironic because it attacks the main selling point, that filtration system.
It's a core innovation.
Right. So while loads of users say the automated oil drainage works like a charm perfectly, others report the mechanism itself is just, poorly designed or defective. Bad seals, things not lining up.
Oh, no.
Meaning the self-cleaning system actually fails spectacularly. One person said it makes more mess than it saves.
Wow. So the very thing meant to solve the mess creates an even bigger one.
Precisely.
So, okay, summing this up. What does this huge split mean if you're out there thinking about getting one?
Well,
The core takeaway seems pretty clear. The concept is amazing. A self-cleaning fryer, reusing oil 15 times, that saves enormous time, massive amounts of oil and money. It's genuinely groundbreaking.
absolutely, the potential is huge.
But the actual user experience seems like a total lottery. You're basically betting you get a unit where the engineering actually translated into good manufacturing.
It really boils down to consistency, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So maybe here's the final thought to leave you with. We know the specs are solid, right? 1,700 watts, that professional 300 to 375 degree range that should guarantee powerful, consistent results.
Good, yes.
So what does this extreme 50-50 split in reliability actually tell us? It points to this potentially huge, sometimes kind of unforgivable gap between a brilliant, patented innovation and the reality of consistent factory production. It suggests the product design itself might be perfect, but only if you're lucky enough to get the perfectly made version of that product. Something to chew on next time you're tempted by a revolutionary kitchen gadget.